This example shows how to use or how to extend classes, that is the concept of inheritance. So what we have done is we have taken a new JFrame form, and on this form we have taken two JText fields, two labels, and one JButton. Okay, now we have designed a class, base class. Name of the class is base class, and here we have defined a data member of the class, and name of the member is counter. Its data type is int. As the name of the class is base class, so we have defined a constructor with the same name as that of class. As we know that the constructor has always the same name as that of the class, and with the help of this constructor we are initializing counter to 0. We have one method, member method of the class base class, that is factorial, and its return type is void. Okay, with the help of this factorial method, what we are doing is we are calculating the factorial of a given number with the help of this for loop, and the calculated factorial of the given number is being displayed in the second text field. Okay, now see, the body of the base class starts from, this is the base class, body of the base class starts from here to here. Okay, now what we are doing is we are extending the base class, means we are inheriting child class from the base class. Child class is being inherited from the base class. So okay, it means with the help of with the objects of the child class, we shall be able to use certain properties of the base class. Okay, in the child class what we have done is we have a member method change val, and we are passing one parameter or argument to this method, and that value is being assigned to the counter. So counter data member has not been defined in the base class, this derived class. It has been defined in the base class, but we are assigning some value to the counter data member through the child class. Okay, now what we have done is in the JButton1 action performed method, we are declaring an integer variable and n, and in this n integer variable what we are doing is we are fetching or extracting the value which has been input by the user in the first text field, and that value is being converted into integer with the help of this wrapper class integer.parseInt method. Okay, now in the very next line we have created an instance or an object of the class child class with one line method. So we have written here child class obj1 equal to new child class, means obj1 object of the child class is declared and assigned some memory. Then we are calling obj1.changeVal method, and we are passing n as argument to the method. Okay, changeVal method has been defined in the child class, and n, suppose the value of n is 5, so 5 is being passed to this changeVal method as an argument, and that will be assigned to counter, means the value of counter equals to 5. We are taking 5 as an example. Okay, then we are calling factorial method of the class base class with the help of object obj, which is an object of the class child class. So what it shall do is it shall calculate the value of a factorial of the given number, as we are taking example as 5. So the calculation factorial of 5 is calculated, and that factorial value is displayed in the second text field. Okay, now see, factorial method is a member method of the class base class. Okay, but we are calling it with the with an object obj1 of the class child class, it means that what we can do is we can extend classes. We can extend the functionality of the classes through the concept of inheritance. We are extending base class through child class, means the objects of the child class would be able to use certain properties of the base class. If you run this application and enter the number to find the factorial. Suppose we are inputting 5, so it's giving us 120. 120 is the factorial of 5. If I write here 7, so it's giving us 5040 as factorial of 7. So that's how we can extend the functionality of the given class through the concept of inheritance. We have to write, whenever the functionality of a class is to be extended, we have to write the name of the child class, extends. With the help of this extends keyword, we can extend the functionality of the base class. So I hope that this video lesson helps the students in understanding and writing the child classes from the base class, and helps in understanding the concept of inheritance, how a base class may be extended with the help of inheritance.